Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Okay guys, so this is going to be a really quick video, maybe like a 5-minute video. I am here because I need to re-moisturize my hair, but because my hair is blow dried out, I really don't want to use water-based products, but we're going to see what I do. So if you're interested in seeing me moisturize my blow dried kinky twist, then just keep watching. So the products that I do have sitting in front of me are very much so water based. It's been 2 weeks and 2 days since I've moisturized my hair, but honestly, between the beeswax and the raw shea butter that I put on my hair has not been feeling dry at all. It still has like a shine to my, like when I squeeze my hair, I still get a shine. Like I know that it's still very moisturized, but I have water. I have the melanin hair care product, and I also have my DIY oil to put on my hair. And these are the two products that I'm like pausing and gagging about because I know my hair will revert. And I'm trying to, like, how long do I want my hair to stay stretched? That's what I'm kind of having a, you know, like a, what do I want to do? But I think I'm going to probably spray the ends of my hair since they have been rubbing. And this is the nape of my head, you guys, if you're wondering. It's like, why is that twist so short? This is the very nape of my head that most people cut off. But I'm like, yeah, no, that's hair. So I'm going to spray the ends of my hair, put a little bit of the melanin hair care on my hair. Also, I'm going to put this on the roots, like on my scalp and kind of down the length of my hair. So I think I might put this plastic bag on my hair, but I for sure just want to moisturize and try to protect the ends of my hair because they've been rubbing up against my clothes and I really don't like it. But I'm going to just get started and not ramble too much in this video. I'm going to be using a tiny bit of product, y'all, with a tiny bit of water. Ooh, that's a tiny bit. Ooh, that didn't feel like a tiny bit. Ooh, and then I don't know. Now it feels dry and it felt moisturized. Now I want to add a little bit more water. Okay, don't go overboard now. Maybe I should spray the whole thing. Oh no. It's okay. I'm not going to spray the whole thing. Okay, first section done. Oh, that added a lot more moisture into it. Now, I don't know what it's going to look like or how it's going to dry, but I'm going to just take one at a time and just give it a little bit of individual love. Okay, so that's that side, and now this is what this side looks like. I don't think it's going to revert too bad, but honestly, by the time a month hits, I'm going to be spraying my entire head just because I like to put moisture into my hair. And I really like this style because it helps with moisture better than my mini braids, because with my mini braids, I don't try to moisturize it for the first month as well because I blow dry my hair when I do my mini braids. That's why I really like kinky twist on wet hair. But it is shrinking up. I can tell it's shrinking up. But it's okay. It needs to be hydrated. And I would rather my hair be hydrated than seeing the length of it. But once you start adding a lot of water product to your hair, it makes your hair look more worn in faster. And because I do try to leave my hair up for 3 months at a time, right now I've just been able to leave it up for 8 to 10 weeks. But since I've had my son and the COVID and all of that happened, so because of all of that, kinky twists have really just, that's how I've grown my hair back, has been with kinky twists, with doing them on wet hair. And the main product that I was using was the melanin hair care, or is the melanin hair care. In these last 2 installments, I tried the dupe hair product, and I am not using those products anymore because I felt like it made my hair dry, and my hair don't like the dupe twist and whatever it was. Is like, I would not necessarily use those products again. I will just try to make sure that I get my hands on melanin hair care. Now that she's back restocked, I am going to spend, like, I'm not even kidding guys, probably like $200 on hair product, just because I don't want to get in this position of not having the products that I know that my hair loves, and then I have to settle for crap products that I know has a lot of ingredients in it that my hair don't like. So now that I got myself a nice little bottle of this melanin hair care, y'all, I am slathering it on there. Ooh, that feels so good. That feels so good. I feel like I should do this side a little bit more. Like, put a little bit more on there. Okay, so I'm going to take about like this much. I'm going to swarm it up in my hands. I'm going to do the length of it. And I'm not going to go back in with no more product. I'm just going to do it just this one swoop-de-doop. Oh, I hope they get it all. And normally I don't rub my twists like this, but because they are blow dried, I need to kind of get those flyaways to try to get them to lay back down, because they have been flying away now. And I think instead of putting my plastic bag on there, because I think that's just going to make it swell up more, I'm probably going to just put my head rag on and try to help with the flyaways instead of my hair swelling up. I'm going to take another nice little glob and rub it right in. I feel like I want to spray some, I'm going to spray some water a little bit on the roots of my hair. I should have just sprayed my whole head. Let me just get it in there. Okay, so I'm going to just spray like, oop, 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 oop. Okay, I think that should be enough. Now I'm going to go in with my DIY oil and get my scalp, just because I feel like water is moisture, and then if you're just putting oil on top of dry hair, it does not necessarily accept your moisture, because you have not put moisture in it, because you ain't put no water in it. Ooh, it hasn't been itching, but I can tell that my hair has been dry. Y'all, my husband and my son is home. I honestly don't know what the freak they doing down there. But if y'all hear a lot of noise in the background, is that a dadgum dinosaur? I don't even know what the freak is going on. Y'all, my hair has not really been itching, but I feel that it has been a little dry. But look at that. That just made that swell up real bad. Oh! And I know all of my twists are not the same size, which if they swell up, you're going to tell that they're different sizes, which is another reason why I kind of like doing it on already wet hair. So if it does choose to, like when it swells up, I grabbed about the same amount of hair in each twist. But yeah, my hair is already shrinking, but it's okay. My hair feels a lot better. I am going to tie my hair rag on there, and it has shrunk up, but I think it's so cute. Like when my hair gets old and it gets that worn in look, I'll be like, ooh, I'll be perpetrating in the lock community. I sure do, because everybody think I have locks. But I know people that actually have locks in person know that my hair is not locked. Or people think I'm like trying to start locks, and I'm like, no. I got commitment issues outside of my husband. Everything else I'm real finicky about. But when it comes to my man, I am most definitely not finicky about that. But when it comes to my hair and keeping it in one style, she only got about 3 months and she's going to have to come right down. I cannot commit for no locks or nothing like that. I like to switch it up too much. Maybe, you know, it ain't switching it. It is switching it up. But this is cute though. But this is how I moisturize my hair for the first time. So if you, you guys, I will be back in here maybe in 2 weeks to show you guys the state of my hair and if I've done anything different to it. But I'm probably not going to do anything different to it except wet it more. And then we're going to see how short my kinky twists actually get. But I truly appreciate you guys. And if you got any questions or comments or even video requests, please leave them down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.